just want me flip. And I'm super stoked because when I make these videos, it means that we flipped a whole bunch of stuff. So we've got a table full of items here, and so let's go through it. Let's start off with this item. This is a DVD audio disc. It's called the Brain Salad Surgery by Emerson, Lake and Palmer. This was another dollar item, and this sold for $19.95. The next one is this CDIP 600 by Pioneer. This is a IP bus cable that allows the items or radio and CD changers to talk to each other, and they do it via this cable. So this is kind of hard to find nowadays because these systems are no longer being used. So you find it in a package like this and brand new, you got to try and pick it up. So we got this for $1 and it sold for $29.99. All right, next thing is we got this the other day. This is a bunch of reel-to-reels. I don't even know what's in them. They came in a box full. I think it was over 20 something boxes. So I kind of just put it all together. Look like this. And obviously these are information or data or music for these reel-to-reel players. And I'm sure there's a lot of stuff in here. I didn't look, but I got this in a box for $15. There were more than 20 of them. So I would equate this to possibly maybe just $1 an item. Let's just say that. And this came out to $25. So that's not a bad flip at all. Next is this Arrow, it's called AeroVironment turbo cord. This is a 240 volt level 2 charging unit. This was brand new. I saw it on the table and I opened it up. Everything is in there. Again, everything is still wrapped with the packaging. And man, when he said $20, I kind of like went, ooh, crazy. So I picked it up for $20 and it sold for, let's see here. It sold for $157. So that's a good, nice profit. This is a really cool system or unit. This just sold like literally about maybe 5 minutes ago before I made this video, so I wanted to add it. This is a Lomography jack Olga flash camera kit, and it comes with the whole package, including the camera itself. And check this out. Check this camera out. It's red and white. Again, brand new. These are items that people are looking for. It's crazy. So it comes with a camera. It comes with a bunch of other little things here and there. These are lenses. It even came with a battery, mounts, things like that. This was purchased for, I believe it was $25, and I had it up for $210 with a better offer, and somebody offered $179, and I'll take it all day long. That's awesome. Again, another, that's like 150 bucks profit right there. And then the last thing that I picked up, it was in a junk pile. Again, you gotta look out for these kind of things. This is a Vector Research 3-head cassette deck. This was back, I believe, I would say maybe in the late 70s or in the 80s. When I look at these items, I always say that it's probably not gonna work, which it doesn't, in terms of it needs a belt change and a couple of things where someone like a good technician can go through this thing and make it work. When these things are working, they're worth hundreds of dollars. Alone, I bought this for $12. $12. He wanted 15, and I said 12, and he took it. So now we flipped it and turned it around, and we got $180. Man, that is again a great turnout for only the past couple of days. So I want to pack these things and get it sent out to the buyers. So I wanted to just kind of give you a glimpse of what happened or transpired within the past couple of days. I think this is the third day. So what we spent here is a total of $74, and we flipped it to $590.94. Wow, that is amazing. So don't be afraid to pick up even broken items, because these things are worth a check and a look to make. I mean, it'll make you some money. So try it. Try it if you've got items in your garage, or you're checking out some of the yard sale. Check these things out, and you may just make a lot of you could flip it for quite a bit of money. All right. So hopefully you liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and join the channel. That's the swap meet flip challenge. All right. So hit that button. Thanks. I'll see you guys in the next video.